Hey, it's Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and today we are doing a 150-mile dice run out of the Switchback Bar. And a lot of people don't know what a dice run is, so I have brought in the expert. Andy is the owner of Switchback Bar with his wife, Carrie, and they organized this, so I'm going to let him explain, because apparently a lot of people don't know.
Hey, good morning. This dice run is something we do annually every year, Labor Day. Just a spin from the everyday poker run. Give people a chance to go and play a different type of hand. I think that what you can expect from something like this is you're going to go, and it's pretty simple, almost like Yahtzee. You're going to roll your dice twice. At your first roll, you're going to decide if you're going high or low, because we split the pot between the high hand and the low hand at the end of the day. And you'll make, at each of your stops, you get 2 rolls to get either your lowest dice score or your highest dice score, and then you move on to the next one. You carry around your sheet. You know what your score is all the time. We oftentimes get people spying over the shoulder of other people that they think they're close with to see where they're going on their next roll, but in the end, it's the luck of the dice. And the main point to this whole thing, everybody gets together, has a great time, a great ride, visit some great businesses, come back and have a switchback party.
Well, that sounds like a good idea to me, so let's see how today goes. What do you think? Should I go high or low? Where's my luck going to be today? We're going to roll out ahead of everybody else. We're going to skip the announcement and hit the road. First stop is Flat Creek. We've been there before. It'd be a good ride. All right, we are at Flat Creek Resort here. This is just a couple miles north of Cape Fear on the map if you're looking for it. And if you want to take a great ride in southern Missouri, Highway 76 from Cassville east over here to Cape Fear is absolutely gorgeous. Great road, one of my favorites. Anyway, we went in and rolled our dice, and I guess basically you're trying to roll for like a high hand or a low hand. You roll once, you can keep, 2 or 3 dice or whatever, like if you got 2 6s, then roll the low dice again to try and make your best high hand or low hand kind of thing at each roll. Total them up, just keep doing that at each stop, it looks like. All right, I didn't start off so great. 18 at the end of my first roll with 5 dice, so that's not real hot, but I picked it up a little bit there, and we're up to 44 points. One person in our group has got 50, so I'm gaining on them. We got 2 more stops to try and make up the difference and see where we're at the end of this thing. But, there's a chance still. I might be in it to win it. I got that wrong at the last stop because one of the places wasn't listed on the back of the sheet, but it is on the front of the sheet, and that is our actual next dice roll at the Cat House. All right, we are at the Cat House. I just went in and rolled my dice. I'm sitting at 85 after 4 stops. We got people in our group that have 90, 2 of them. So I got a ways to go if I'm going to catch them at the last stop. But they say this ain't over till it's over. If you think about it, 5 is only 1 dice. Only 1 dice is the difference between us. They could roll a 1, I could roll a 6 and make up that difference. So we'll see how this thing goes. We're going to get something to eat here at the Cat House, have a drink, and chill for a minute before we go on back to the switchback for the final dice roll. Well, I broke 100. I ended up with the 102, and that ain't going to get it done. Firecracker, I think, is 114 or 115, and that's pretty good. But we heard somebody had 127 already. So that's going to be hard to beat. But we have had a great time riding beautiful country here in the Ozark Mountains, down in Eureka Springs, coming out of the Switchback Bar. I want to say thanks to Andy and Carrie for putting this event on, bringing bikers together, giving them something to do and a place to go, and just a great way to spend our Labor Day weekend, coming out here to Eureka Springs, hanging out at the Cat House and the Switchback and doing some rides, and it's been a really good time, a good weekend. So I hope you all did something just as good on your holiday weekend, and if so, leave me a comment and let me know down below what you guys did on Labor Day weekend. Did you get any miles in? All right, y'all stay safe, keep on riding. We'll see you in the next one.